Hey friends, on today's quick video, we are going to be looking at this power inflator. I absolutely love having one of these tools. I'm going to show you why I use it all the time to help with tire pressure here in our Tacoma trucks, as well as our other mountain bike tires and anything else that needs to be inflated. Now this power inflator comes in a nice little carrying case. You can keep this inside your vehicle for those emergency uses or just to top off your tires for the appropriate PSI. You can see that it has a few attachments here. We've got our little battery charger, and the battery it's currently installed down here. It's a 20-volt lithium ion. And then it also has this adapter that can go on the bottom, and underneath you're going to find a 12-volt car charger, so you can actually use this in your vehicle without the need for the battery, which again is really nice just in case you have the battery out, you push the battery button and this thing actually is dead. You don't want to run into that situation. Those lights indicate that this is fully charged though, so we can go ahead and use it with the battery powered operation. I'm super excited to show you a couple of the really cool features, but let's first get this attached to the tire so we can check the current air pressure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our little air hose nozzle here, and we're going to find the little valve stem for the inner tube in the tire. Basically, you're going to put that on there. You can hear the air kind of coming out, and we're going to lock it shut using that lever. So what I'll first need to do is turn it on. You can see we're down to 27.5 on this specific tire. So let's go ahead and put some air in. Now we are looking at PSI, but if you wanted a different unit, you can actually push this button and scroll through the different options here. Multiple things to choose from. Again, we'll keep it on PSI. The next thing we need to do is actually set the amount that we want to push it up to. Let's go ahead and do that 35.5 on here. To do that, I'm just going to push the plus button, and we can either hold or we can go just push by push. And as you can see, it goes in increments of 5. We'll go to 35.5. That should be a great setting. So what's nice now is I can push the trigger once and it will continue to inflate until it gets to that number. You don't have to sit here and hold it down. It's such a nice little feature. So let's go ahead and push this once. Now as you can hear, that's going. We also have a little light that comes on as this is inflating. Now again, note this is a little bit loud as it is operating. As you can see, after just a few seconds, we are pushing up to 29, and every few seconds it'll increment up just a half a PSI there. And again, the nice thing is we can just leave it there in the on mode. It'll automatically stop when it hits that 35.5. Okay, and things just shut off. And as you can see, we're at 35.5. So again, awesome little feature, self-inflates. You don't have to sit here and hold the trigger. You can dial in your exact PSI that you want and then just let it go. So there you go, friends. That's the Avid Power Inflator. Again, such a fun, great tool to have around, super convenient. It really has made life just a little bit easier for us. I think you'll like it too. Again, we'll put some links down in the description box below if you'd like to pick it up for yourself. And then stay tuned because we actually do a ton of these tool video reviews. We show you how they're useful, let you know which ones we really like to help make your life just a little bit easier. We'll see you again on the next one.